people, blessed my fanatics, my folks, my audience. You understand? Yeah, Alkaline say him did find all the formula and then sitting there. But the video yeah, where we come here now, I say right now, yeah? Is this. Are the Gully God more want to know who no rate? The Gully God more or Vybz Kartel? That more know my people. Who better than who no rate more? And hear this, in the Beanie Man versus Bounty Killer video, yeah? My sister, the people in my like up the likes, you understand? Respect to all of them subscribers and all them people that will like up the like. But me I try showing to say, yo, like up the like some more. And you understand, cause we're gonna left a video there running for about 6 months, you know, then we decide who win, you know. You understand? So in a 6 months later we're gonna see who win. With Bounty Killer versus Beanie. You understand what I mean? We have another video with Intense versus Killy. You understand? And in a 6 months time we're gonna see what one. So now we check out Mavado. You understand the Gully God? You understand what I mean, yeah? Don't know MVP. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, we want to know who to rate more. You understand? Jesus, Lord of God, you know. Me say who to rate more, you know. Mavado, the Gully God, you know. Or Vybz Kartel, the world boss, you know. The Ross, you know. What you know? Yeah, so as I was saying, who to rate more? The Gully God, you understand, or the world boss? More no. You understand who to rate more? Like up and like them, share up and share them, you understand? And if you don't like how me run the channel and like how me do the thing, you wanna leave up the likes and leave up the subscribe so me can do it all the time for now. That's why I don't see the video them all the time, cause guess what? Man I feel do different things to make sure say, you understand? Me can look after myself. Man I feel also different ways. You understand? To survive, you know survival how it's set. Especially in a time of corona, yeah. So hear me now. Me just want to like up a like and tell me who to rate more. World boss, you understand? World boss, you understand? Or the Gully God, you understand? Straight. Yes, my people, you understand? And that more to do, more to like up the like, just touch up the touch up, you understand? These videos are about engagement with my audience. I want to know some fanatics, my folks, and my people, my audience all over the world. Bless up on yourself, you understand? You understand? We don't want to either talk in the comments, we just want people respect each other's comments, you understand? Respect each other's opinions and views, you understand? And them thing them people and like up the like, you understand? So we say Gaza or Gully. Which one you prefer? Cartel, the Gully boss? Which one? Which one do you want? The Gully boss, world boss? Which one? You understand? Gully God, world God? Which one do you want? Make me know how to deal with my people. Lift up the like them and then sitting there, you understand? I make people know it's a Fantasy World channel shot. Because I put up all kind of video and sitting. Understand about black awareness and the culture and sitting, you understand the people. So up, out, have a good day. Them something them I deal with, you understand what I mean? So you don't know which one of the artists them want to rate more. You understand? And so we deal with the thing, my people. Over and out, you see, big up on yourself all day long. Up.